Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Tricon Residential app is and how it's positioned. The Tricon Residential app is a resident-focused mobile platform designed to help users manage their rental home, services, and smart home features from one place, based on official App Store descriptions. It is positioned as a centralized resident experience tool that combines property management functions with smart home controls, according to the developer's official website. Users can submit, schedule, and track maintenance requests directly through the app, which is consistently listed as a core feature across official sources. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app also allows users to manage smart home features such as thermostats and smart locks, enabling remote control of temperature and home access. According to official information, residents can generate access codes and control entry permissions, which may improve convenience and security depending on setup. Users can track technician arrival in real time for maintenance visits, which is highlighted as part of the service tracking functionality. The app also links to rent payment systems, allowing users to manage payments and account details digitally. It is designed to act as a single portal for managing home-related tasks, including maintenance, payments, and smart home access, based on official onboarding and support materials. Some features, such as smart home controls, may depend on whether the property is equipped with compatible devices, which is not universal and should be considered a limitation. Access to the app is typically limited to residents of participating Tricon-managed homes, meaning it may not function as a general-use app. This app may be useful for residents who want a centralized way to manage home services, maintenance, and smart home controls. For users interested in combining property management with connected home features in one interface, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.